In this video we'll see that how to engage with our YouTube audience. In term by engaging, how can we get more exposure for our videos, more exposure for our YouTube channel, and get tons of more subscribers for free of cost, get more traffic, more leads, and obviously more sales in turn. Now to do that, we'll be discussing some of the sneaky little techniques which you can apply in your day-to-day activities inside your video marketing and grow as a video marketer. Now I've just used our favorite keyword by now, make money online. I just came into the searches. Let me go to any one of these videos. Let me go to this video and I'll just stop the video for now. And once you come down, you'll be seeing that there are a lot of comments are being made over here, obviously because it's a high ranked video. Now what you can do, as a marketer, you can just make a comment over here. Okay, now once you make a comment over here, what will happen, this will be, your comment will be heard and seen by all these people who have made the comments before you. So imagine what's happening. You are getting free exposure as a marketer, towards the entire community. Now remember this thing, once you make the comment, it's always useful that to go through the video once or twice, pick up one or two important points and try to praise the person. Don't try to be negative or something like bragging. Always try to be positive. Try to contribute towards this video, that hey man, just went through a video, I just picked up this and this point, nice points made. I'm going to apply into my video marketing this particular things, and I think that we can also apply this particular technique along with this to make it more suitable, like that. So you add some value and not a mere comment over here. Now you can do this 5 to 6 comments at a time in a single day, because otherwise YouTube will think that you're spamming. Okay, and always make nice positive value added comments so that they don't track your activity. Then do it for the next 2 to 3 or maximum 1 month and see the kind of growth your channel is going to create from this particular thing. And believe me, this is absolutely ninja. That helps you to get a lot of exposure and subscribers to your YouTube channel. And why this happens? Because YouTube loves this. Why? Because they think that as a marketer you are contributing to the community as a whole, and that's why they love this kind of engaging activities. Another way to do this engaging activity is to click over here, so you can go to the channel of this particular marketer, and then you can just come to this particular button of discussions, and over here also you'll see a lot of comments over there, the top comment, all this good stuff. Here also in the same way you can you can comment over here, so that you have been seen and heard by all the other contributors. So all of a sudden you are there, kind of being noticed by other people, and again the value addition is tremendous over here for your own good. Then you can come over here, in the about section, and in the about section you can see that you can directly send a message to this particular marketer. So it's a good way to say the marketer that, hey Lewis, I just went to your channel. I think it's really nice. You're adding a lot of value to the community. I just subscribed to your channel also. Hey, why don't you check back my channel? I'm trying to add a lot of content inside my channel too. So it will be worth your time, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So like that, you can personally send a message to the person inside of YouTube, connect to them, and hopefully get a subscriber, valuable subscriber to your YouTube channel base. And remember, this is absolutely free of cost. So these are the techniques. Once you apply, you can start the engaging thing going on, and this is important. Once you do it for the next 1 or 2 months, you will see that you are tremendously going to increase your subscriber base, and most importantly, you are going to get quality subscriber, because you don't want junk traffic coming to your channel or to your videos. You want quality targeted traffic, and here you can super duper drill down to the most quality person. You can see the best marketer, the best video marketers. You can connect with those people, exchange ideas with those people. You can get them to subscribe to your channel. So that means you are going to the exact niche. For example, if you're into network marketing or MLM, you can go and you can find thousands of network marketers all around the world, and you can tell them that, hey guys, let's connect together, let's share ideas. By the way, I like your channel very much, you can subscribe. So that's why you are building a whole new community, a whole new prospects list inside your own niche. And then obviously once you upload your videos, because they subscribe to your channel, they're going to see your videos time and again. So it creates a kind of a bond, a kind of engagement, a kind of community tie between marketers, and in turn this is going to convert into a business sale or a business relationship for a lifetime. And that's very, very crucial, guys. So I hope you got the idea that why it is important to have the engagement going into your YouTube channel. Plus, once you do all these things, it helps you to have your channel into good standing, which is very, very important, by the way. So guys, I believe that this video will be tremendously influential for your growth as a video marketer. Thanks a lot and take care.